1. Marks the symbol at position which is 1.3 cm away from the cargo slot. 2. Put the bracket on and confirm the curvature to ensure it fits snugly on the correct position, then mark the symbols for further step. 3. Wipe the installation position with adhesion promoter first. 4. Then peel off the back film, align the install position and hose, slowly. Press it in place. 5. After installation, repeatedly press the bracket with force to ensure it is firmly attached. 6. Put on the side panels, then tighten the screw in the center position of the hull to distribute the force evenly. 7. Put the small bracket on and confirm the curvature to ensure it fits snugly on the correct position, then mark the symbols for further step. 8. Wipe the installation position with adhesion promoter. 9. Then peel off the back film, carefully match the bracket. Correct position, align the symbols, slowly press it in place. 10. After installation, repeatedly press the bracket with force to ensure it is firmly attached. Insert the screws. Put the small bracket on and confirm the curvature to ensure it fits snugly on the correct position, then mark the symbols for further step. 12. Wipe the installation position with adhesion promoter. 13. Then peel off the back film. Carefully match the bracket. Correct position, align the symbols. Slowly press it in place. 14. After installation, repeatedly press the bracket with force to ensure it is firmly attached. Insert the screws. 15. Loose the tighten screws first. Adjust the side panel to achieve the suitable position. 16. Tighten the screws from top to bottom out down. 17. Lift the side panels slightly upwards to apply force to the screws. 1. Mark the symbol at position which is 1.3 cm away from the cargo slot. 2. Wipe the installation position with adhesion promoter first. 3. Then peel off the back film, align the install position and hose. Slowly press it in place. 1. Assemble the trunk shelf as shown in the video. 2. Two crossbars double-sided with hoses installed on left and single-sided with hoses on right as video shows. 3. Crossbar single-sided with hose, the side with hose face downwards. Insert the screws. Do not tighten the screws right away. Make sure the screws are in the center position of the hole. For crossbar double-sided with hose, one side with hose face down and the other side with hose face to trunk shelf hose. Ensure the holes are lined up with each other before tighten the screws. 5. Crossbar double-sided with hose. One side with hose face down and the other side with hose face to trunk shelf hose. Ensure the holes are lined up
6.
with tighten all
Each
the
other
screws
before
before tighten the screws.